soggy bog. One little duck gave a happy cheer. She jumped in the pond and disappeared. Three little ducks were sitting on a log, watching a turtle crawl through the fog. One little duck said, "I want to go." He splashed in the pond with a belly woe. Two little ducks were sitting on a log, bouncing and giggling in the misty smog. One little duck said, "Catch me if you can." She leapt in the pond and swam to land. One little duck was sitting on the log, feeling a bit lost in the morning fog. She flapped her wings and gave a big sigh, then jumped in the pond with a happy cry. No little ducks were sitting on the log, just the sound of a croaking frog. Mama duck called, "Come back, you five," and all five ducklings came back with a dive.